Well, hello everybody. I'm back. I promised you a redo on this one. If you've seen my bloopers video, you know I had fun that night, and I hope you enjoyed it and got as many laughs out of it as I did. Of course, I did repurpose it just as I said. It was going to be an oven mitt or a pot holder, and she has been earning her weight around here. I am getting my money's worth from it. She has been a pot holder on occasion and an oven mitt on occasion, and it's working just great. So without further ado, I will share with you now what it was I was actually trying to do. Don't do this. Please don't do this. But here's what I was trying to create that night. I found an outstanding tutorial by Crochet for Life. She does a lot of baby work, a lot of hats, blankets, rompers, cardigans, sweaters, you name it, she does it. And she does some outstanding work, so I highly recommend that channel if you're looking for gift ideas for babies. She is the go-to lady, I believe, so far that I've found. There may be others who can compete with her, but I have yet to find them, and when I do, I'll introduce you to them. But this was what I was going after. This is a hat for a newborn, and this is a hat for 0 to 3. And I do apologize because when I made both, I did not record the how it was made video. But I would encourage you, if you like doing things for babies, her channel is one channel you can definitely go to if you haven't already found it. So I encourage you to pay her a visit, check her out, see what she's got, see if there are tutorials that you feel confident that you'll be able to do, and take the journey and produce some great fabric. But again, this is newborn and this is 0 to 3. She offers this pattern in 5 sizes in her video. She tells you exactly how many chains to begin with, how many shells you should have along the way, and then she walks you through creating the fabric. So again, pay her a visit if you like. And I do have pictures of this for you at the end of the video, so hang around for that. Thank you for being patient and waiting to see what it was I was actually trying to do that night. Sipping that wine. I know better because I am not a wine connoisseur, so it is, or alcohol period. So it only takes maybe a couple of tablespoons to make my head light, and if I drink a third of a glass, yeah, I'm ready for a good nap. I'm not the kind that gets liquor in them and gets all rowdy. I mellow out and go right to sleep, which is a waste of time for me and a waste of breath. When you could be up and being productive, studying or doing something productive. So, but I do enjoy my wine from time to time. I will say that. I like a sip or two when I'm relaxing. And yeah, that's about it. But anyway, if you haven't already done so, please do acknowledge the creator of all things before you begin your work. And I hope you enjoyed the laughs. Thank you again for hanging around to see what that should have actually come out looking like. And again, I got photos for you at the end, and I encourage you, her channel is what was it? Crocheting for Life, or Crochet for Life. I'll put it in the description box for you. Excellent work, excellent fabric, beautiful creations, and I encourage you to give it a try. Have a wonderful day today, and I hope to see you soon. Oh, by the way, I tabled the star stitch throw I was doing because I found this outstanding granny square pattern that I really want to produce a throw in first, and I've got a couple of them already made. I'll share what those look like. Look at that. I just love that. And I've got several of them made. I'm going to put that throw together, and I will give you a how it was made on this one. So I hope that you stick around for that. If you see something that catches your eye and you think you'd like to see it made before you make it, by all means drop it in the comment section of the video, or send me a link to the video. I'll check it out and See if I can't be adventurous. And this yarn, I do want to share this with you. This yarn is not the yarn that Crochet for Life used. She used a double knitting yarn. So you can imagine how fluffy, and I mean, these were just fluffy to the touch, and they looked extra fluffy. Here in the Middle East, yeah, it's not so easy getting the same kind of yarns to be able to match them with the creators. So I tried to get as close as I could to it. It turned out pretty fluffy with what I had, but by no means is it double knit crocheting yarn. So check her out again, Crochet for Life. Have a wonderful day today, you guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.